Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mr. H.D. Bagul from Pratap College, Amalner, District Jalgaon, which is affiliated to KBC NMU Jalgaon University. My college is located in rural area. So, first of all, I clear that I am not I do not come here to deliver the talk, but I have few doubts or problems which are related to the undergraduate science students and teachers. First of all, every year number of students admitted in the first year course of undergraduate is decreasing continuously. Why this number of enrollment decreasing every year? This is my first question. I guess that may be the wrong, but maybe due to the job they feel like student will get the jobs after completing engineering or pharmaceutical, which is the technical degrees they feel like. And the second reason may be the open universities which gives the admission immediately after 12th also. Nowadays, more students after 12th, they take admission in open university. That may be the second reason about the decreasing enrollment. If we could restrict the open university admission by requesting, because open university is open by taking the aim of graduating the employees and who is out of classrooms, like citizens, or it is not aimed to open due to regular students, because for regular students there is a regular universities. Okay, this was my first question. Second, in science stream also most of the students taking admission to the few subjects like computer science. After that, like chemistry, after that statistics, because they also feel like they will get the job opportunity by completing these courses only. I have seen that the few courses, few subjects, students are not taking a single admission also. Sometimes students feel, teachers feel like what I can do. They try their best to give the admissions, but students are not taking. That is the real situation. This is my second doubt. Third one, the enrollment also may decreases due to the students are not feeling like that they will get the teaching jobs as a teacher, because in last 1 or 1.5 decade the teacher recruitment is very less as compared to before 1.5 decade. This may be the reason of decreasing enrollment, but nowadays it is good thing happening like TET, TAIT, TET, which is taking place in Maharashtra. I don't know about other states, but due to this the students may interested to move toward the basic science educations. And the last one, students' basic knowledge also affected by decreasing their reading habits. This may be due to the social media And who told Sachin sir or earlier madam, in internet or explorer, all things are available, but they are in scattered way. By searching the particular thing, they get scattered somewhere and they waste their important times. This may be the reason behind decreasing their basic knowledge. And last point, fifth point, few students take the admissions but not fill the exam forms. These cases also increases day by day. Why this is happening, I don't know, but it is happening and we are seeing in colleges. So these are the 5 points I want to raise here to discuss. If you discuss, that will be helpful for us and students also. Thank you.